coating for cans? Because it works.
My name is Sabri Kundakçıoğlu, Vice President of Engineering for Pepsi Bottling Ventures. Pepsi Bottling Ventures is the largest independent bottler for PepsiCo products in North America. We serve 8 million customers from 16 facilities operating in 5 states. One of the most important things for us is to make the right decisions. We have seen improvements in our business results after collaborating with Domino for our coating needs.
So one of the things that's really nice about can coating with a laser is in this wet environment, I have very cold products. The condensation naturally forms there because we're in the south, warm, humid air. With inkjet coating, you really have to put a lot of hot air and get it to where it's dry. With the laser coating, there can be a little bit of condensate. It really doesn't matter. It's still powerful enough, and it's going to etch the bottom of that can with the code you need. I would tell you it's a very crisp code that's put on the can.
Quality, productivity, and sustainability. These are the 3 reasons that we converted our can coating to a fiber laser technology. Line efficiency is improved, cost of production has been reduced, our consumer complaints about poor printing quality has been reduced. Overall, Domino has done a great job and exceed our expectations in our production environment. Customers are satisfied and our brand is protected.
My name is Daryl Beeler. I'm the production supervisor here at Pepsi Bottling Ventures. From a production standpoint, we love it. When the can comes through, we don't have to constantly check the code date. Whereas with the ink system, we constantly have to check. So cost-wise, it's been very beneficial for us in production. To me, the biggest thing is just the reliability of it. I know that the can or bottle's been coated and I don't have to worry about it. So as the plant manager for this entire facility, I would definitely recommend a Domino fiber laser for cans.
Our partnership with Domino started way before can coating with fiber technology. When Domino presented the fiber technology for can coating, we didn't hesitate to try. And at the end, we have a great technology working for us.